Hi all, welcome back to my channel. Now in this, we are going to continue with our document object model. Previously, we have understood what is document object model, from where DOM comes, who is providing the DOM, and also we have answered few questions. Now in this session, we are going to see what are the things that can be performed using DOM. So this will be the second topic inside our part 1 section. The first thing, we can change HTML content. Now suppose if I am having any heading, I can change the content inside that heading. Then I can change the CSS styling. Normally we write CSS styling in our CSS file. For example, when I click on button, I should change from red to green. So that also I can do using DOM. And also we can change attribute values. Attribute values in the sense, I am having image. I want to change the attribute of source. That also I can do. I can remove HTML elements. I can add new elements. And also I can create the events. Okay, there are many more things which DOM can be providing. And this all things can be done using JavaScript. JavaScript will be getting power to perform all this stuff using DOM. While watching practical video, you will come across many new words. So you don't have to worry. For each and every word, there is a separate video to understand about that and to get more clear on that topic. So we are just going to understand what are the powers JavaScript is getting using this DOM. This all 6 things we are going to see in practical. I have created one folder DOM. Inside this I am having index.html. Now inside this first, let us just write simple HTML file. So first inside this, let us write HTML code. I will come HTML. Inside this I want head tag. Below this head I want body tag. Inside this body I will write h1. Let me come in. Inside this body I will be writing h1. I will just write here heading I am DOM. Save this. I will open this with live server. Now you can see the output is displayed. Let me close this. Below this I am just going to write one paragraph. What all I can do. I will save. I am having paragraph as well. And also I just want to display one image. Inside this folder I am having one image dom.jpg. Save this, and this is my image. Okay, let me just give some stylings here. Width 300 pixel as well as height. I will save. Now I have created h1 heading, paragraph and also one image. Now below this I will be creating one button, and inside this I am just going to write click me. Save. I am having button. Inside this head tag I will just write here style. First I am just going to write body. For this body I will give the padding. Padding, let me just write here 40 pixel. Okay, only for understanding purpose we are writing this HTML as well as CSS so that we can see lot of examples using DOM. And also I'm just going to write my button here. For this button I just want to bring it down. I will just write here margin 30 pixel, top and bottom, left and right I do not need. And also I'm just going to write display to be block. CSS part you do not have to worry. We have just written basic stylings, body padding, and for this button margin I have given and display I have given as block. And this is our basic HTML code. Now below this I'm just going to write script tag. Basically why we are using this script tag? To write our JavaScript code. Now first thing what we have to see, we can change HTML content. Let me copy all these 6 things and here I am just going to paste. I will comment it out. We will see we can change HTML content. Now what I will do, let h1 is equal to, I will be writing document dot query selector. You don't have to worry. When we learn about selector, you will be having more understanding on query selector. But using this selector, we can access this HTML element. What I have done, I have just accessed this h1 and I'm just storing inside this variable. I will write h1 dot inner HTML from IAM DOM. I just want to change to hello. Hello there. Welcome back. I have just changed the content. As soon as I save this, you can see the content whatever I was having inside h1, that is changed now. First thing we have seen, we can change HTML content. We can change CSS stylings. Now for same h1, I will just write here style dot color. We are using this color property and let me just change it to red color. Now color is been changed to red color. And also we can change attribute values. Now inside this image, we are having 4 attributes. SRC, we have this alt, we have width and also we have height. Whichever attribute you want to change, you can easily change that. I will be showing you how to change this source attribute. So for that, first we have to access this image. I will come down. Let image is equal to, I will be using query selector itself. Query selector. Inside this, I just want to access this image element. This should be exactly same as this one. I will be writing image, my variable name dot src is equal to, in this folder itself, I am having one more image, JavaScript dot jpg. As soon as I save this one, just focus on this image. As soon as I save this, you can see the image is changed. So we have changed our HTML content and also we can change the CSS stylings and also we have seen how to change attribute values. Just imagine if we do not have this DOM, then working with this, making our website dynamic will become very tough and very difficult. So that is the reason we use this DOM to make our content, to make our website dynamic. Then we can remove the elements. Now let me just remove this image itself. Image dot remove. For all this we are having plenty of methods. We have remove child. So that you don't have to worry. So for everything we are having multiple methods that we are going to see in later sessions. As soon as I save this, my image will be removed. And also I can add new elements. Let me just create one element. I will create one div. Div is equal to document dot create element. Create element and inside this I just want to add div. Now this div will not be visible here. Now even if I add content, div dot inner HTML is equal to, let me write, I am back. Save this, this will not be visible. Even if I inspect this one, inside this element, div will not be visible. So to add elements, we have to focus on few more things. First, we have to find the parent node and then we have to append that one. So that process is little bit lengthy. Only for this section, so that you will understand, we can add elements, we can create elements. I will be writing the code. You don't have to literally stress on this code because later on, step by step and everything we are going to understand. I am just showing you the powers which JavaScript will be getting using this DOM. Let me just write here, let body is equal to document dot Query selected. I just want to access the body. For adding new elements, first we have to find the parent. Now I will be writing body, append child. That also we are going to see. Now I just want to append my div. I will just write here div. I will save this. You can see now I am back is visible here. And also when I inspect this one, you can see below this I am having this I am div. So you will be having lot of questions by seeing this. Why this div is below the script tag? You don't have to worry. When we learn about append child, then we are going to understand about that. See, till now we have changed our HTML content. We have changed the CSS stylings. We have changed our attribute values. And also we have seen removing elements. Let me just comment it out. I am having my image. And also we have seen adding new elements. Now let me just add this event. What I will do, I will be creating one function. Function color. Inside this, let me just access this. Let body. Below this, body dot style dot. Whenever I click on button, I just want to change the background color. Background color of my body. Let me write here pink. I will save this. Now when I click on this, it is not going to work. So we are going to add an event. On click event. On click is equal to, I will be calling my function color. Copy, and here I will be pasting this. Now I will save this. Now when I click on this, you can see background color is changed. How beautifully DOM will be helping us to do all this stuff. Without this, we cannot perform all these actions. So easily you can change HTML content, you can give CSS stylings, you can change the attribute values, you can create new element, and also you can add the events, you can remove the elements. So there are lot of things which DOM will be doing. You do not have to worry about these selectors, you do not have to worry about these methods, append child method. Functions we have already seen, we have just called the function here, but you do not have to worry what is this on click event. That we are going to see in later sessions. But these are the things DOM can be providing, and JavaScript will be getting all these powers using DOM, and using this JavaScript can change all this HTML content. That's all for this session. If you're not getting, watch this 2-3 times so that you will get to know what all DOM can do. Next session, we will understand more about DOM. We will see theory part simultaneously. We will be performing practical, and also we are going to see lots of examples to understand more about DOM.